Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use Canva to add a logo or text to your images. Whether you're looking to create eye-catching social media posts, add brand recognition to your designs, or just personalize a picture for fun, this quick tutorial will walk you through every step. By the end, you'll be able to confidently add logos and text to any image, making your content look polished and professional, no design experience needed. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Canva. You can use either the free or paid version for this, so don't worry if you don't have a subscription. Open up your browser, type in canva.com, and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, you should see the main dashboard with all sorts of options. Don't let that overwhelm you. We're going to keep it simple. Next, look for the big Create a Design button. Go ahead and click that. You can't miss it, usually in the top right corner. When you click it, you'll see a few size options pop up, but for this example, we're going to create a custom-sized image. This is really helpful because picking the right dimensions ensures your final design looks crisp and fits exactly where you want it, whether that's on your website, Instagram, or another platform. You'll see a place to enter custom dimensions. Set your width and height to 200 by 200 pixels. This is a great size for things like profile pictures or small graphics, but remember you can always adjust this if you need a bigger canvas. Once you've set those numbers, click the button to create a new design. The screen will shift and you'll see a nice blank square canvas, your workspace. Now let's bring in an image to work with. There are two easy ways to do this. You can upload a photo from your device by clicking the Uploads tab and dragging your file in, or you can use Canva's own image library, which is packed with free photos and illustrations. Don't rush, take a second to find an image that fits the vibe or message you want. Once you've got your image, just click on it and it'll appear on your canvas. You can resize or move it around so it fits neatly within that 200 by 200 box. To make things even easier, Canva offers templates you can use as a starting point. These templates are pre-made layouts designed by professionals, so if you're feeling unsure about design, this is a huge help. Browse through the selection and click one you like. The images, text, and styles will pop right onto your canvas, and you can swap out anything you don't need. Alright, with your background ready, it's time to add your logo and some text. Click the Uploads tab again to add your logo file. If you don't have a transparent PNG for your logo, don't worry, you can still use JPGs, but transparent PNGs will look cleaner against any background. Drag your logo onto the canvas and adjust its size and position. If you want, use the alignment tools so it sits perfectly in a corner or right in the center. Take your time here, small tweaks can really elevate the look. Next, for text, click the Text button on the left. You'll see options for headings, subheadings, and more. Click to add, then type anything you want, maybe your brand name, a slogan, or Instagram handle. Play around with the fonts, colors, and sizes so it stands out but doesn't overpower your image. Think of your text and logo as the finishing touches that tie your whole design together. And that's really it. Just like that, you've created a custom image, complete with your logo and message. Once you're happy with how it looks, hit the download button at the top and save your creation in whatever file type you need. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions or run into any trouble, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.